So when it comes to affiliate marketing, right, there is this secret affiliate model that nobody is talking about right now. And it's currently generating insane amounts of commissions simply selling other people's products. As a matter of fact, just recently here, the latest campaign we ran utilizing this model generated over $520,000 in sales in 5 days. Imagine 5 days, over $500,000 in sales through affiliate marketing. Now, we sold software. It was somebody else's product. I did not have to create it. I did not have to deliver it. I did not have to customer service anybody. No headaches, no hassles. This is the coolest thing on earth when it comes to your ability to be able to generate real money through the internet. And when it comes to this type of stuff, the question is how is it even possible? Vic, how is it possible to make this kind of money? There is a book called Science of Getting Rich, and Wallace D. Wattles reveals the secret to getting rich. And he says this, he says it's not about doing certain things. He says it's about doing things in a certain way. Now, when it comes to affiliate marketing, most people do affiliate marketing completely wrong, and that's why they fail. Maybe you tried it before. Maybe you tried to do affiliate marketing, or maybe you tried to make money on the internet, right? And maybe you just keep running into brick wall after brick wall. Maybe you're buying course after course after course. Maybe you're going through masterminds and you're just sick and tired of being sick and tired, right? If you are somebody who is looking for a legitimate, real deal business that you can start and you can get into money fastest, I invite you to check out a free training that I'm hosting right now for free. It's not gonna cost you a dime. And this is not to sell you some kind of a course. This is completely different from everything else that you might have seen out there on the internet. This is not some kind of a business opportunity you gotta join. We're on a mission to truly revolutionize affiliate marketing and change the game forever. So, in this training, I'm gonna walk you through this certain way of doing affiliate marketing, the same way I'm doing it. As a matter of fact, we have created affiliate business system following this certain way. This is the same way like companies such as Bankrate, the NerdWallet, Expedia, right? All these companies have one thing in common. They are hub-centric affiliate businesses. They have no products of their own, but they're making hundreds of millions of dollars a year through affiliate commissions. Question, would you like to know how to do this? If you said yes, register for my upcoming training. I want to show you everything step by step. And on this training, I'm going to set you up with your own system that will allow you to launch your own real deal affiliate marketing business in 7 days or less. Even if you're starting from zero, you have never seen anything like this, and your life is about to change forever. Don't miss this. Click on the link, check out the training. I'll see you inside, and I'll see you at the top.